There are 10 floors in the building. Let's press the elevator buttons with the corresponding numbers to visit each floor. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. It's time to practice. Point the fifth ball. Point the eighth dog. Point the third balloon. Point the sixth cat. Point the 10th flower. Point the third car. Give us a thumbs up if this tutorial helped you. Subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step math tutorials.